In order to create a group bar chart like this, you should need 3 columns, out of which 2 columns should contain number that you can compare. So let's learn how we can create these kind of charts. So I have a dummy data here. I'm going to select all my data. Now under the insert tab, I'm going to click on chart and go to more column charts. Now click on bar chart. You can see here the cluster bar. Now I'm going to click on OK, right? Under the chart design, first I would like to change the background of the chart. Now this gray one looks something good. Now under the change color, you can change the color of these lines like the comparison line. So I'm going to select this one for now. Now let's talk about the title here. So I'm going to give a random title here. Let's say mutual fund comparison. Okay. Now here I'm going to click on this plus icon. I already have the access. Now I'm going to click on access title as well. I don't need this one, so I'm going to delete it, but I need this one. Here I'm going to mention holding values in crores. That's it. Now moving to the next one that says data label. I want my data label. Now it's up to you where you want to display this. Right now I want to display this in outside end of the line so I can see the number here. We can skip the data table and error bars. Now I do not want grid line, so I'm going to remove it. Now for the legends, I want to display this at the right side of the chart. So here it is like this. Let me maximize the chart. Okay. Now coming up to these numbers, you can change these numbers as well. You just need to select on this, make a right click and go to format access. Now you can see this option that says bounds, minimum or maximum. So here if I'm going to change this to 4000, you can see the interval here. It is set from minimum 0 to maximum 4000. If I change it to 5000 now, you can see the numbers are changing right here. So I'm going to do it for 4000. That's fine with my chart as of now. Coming up to the next one that says unit, major and minor. These are the intervals between these numbers. So I'm okay with it. That's it. So for now, this is one of the easiest group bar chart that you can create in Excel. Let me know if in case you have any doubt.